Shungite water cleansing is a great way to make your water healthy and decontaminated, and the most effective way to do it is by using elite Shungite stones. You can successfully filter out a huge amount of toxic and radioactive elements from your drinking water, positively change water's pH level, and enrich your water with positive elements. Elite Shungite stones are the most effective due to the highest amount of carbon in their composition among all Shungite types. Shungite water is extremely easy to make. All you need is to use from 50 to 70 grams of elite Shungite stones for every liter of water. Put the stones into water reservoir and leave it for 6 hours. After that, your water will be ready for drinking and provide you with a proper boost of health, energy, and determination. Purchase elite Shungite water and enjoy all the powerful properties of Shungite, the best of Karelian nature.